How to do live match with someone on TikTok. Going live on TikTok with someone else is a fun way to interact with your audience and collaborate with other creators. So here's a step how you can go live with someone on TikTok. First of all, you have to ensure both your account meet the requirement on your TikTok. Also, you need to have 1,000 followers to start all live stream on your TikTok. You have to launch your TikTok app on your device. Just go and navigate to your plus icon here. Once you are here, you have to tap on your plus button and go for your live here. You can see your live. And once you are on your live setup page, you have to enter your title for your stream if you wish. Go to start your live here. So here I don't have 1,000 followers on my TikTok, but I can provide you the guidelines. After you start the live stream, you will see a list of followers or viewers on the option to invite others to join. You have to tap on the plus or invite button in the live chat area or the list of the viewers. Select the person you want to go live, form the list of viewer or search for their username. And after that, you have to tap invite next to their name. If invited user accepted your request, they will go live with you. They need to accept the invitation of your live to join the live session. After that, you will be able to go live with someone on TikTok with the help of this step. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.